Some of my longtime viewers may remember my grandson from Texas being here and being Captain Channing Learjet captain for a day. Hey folks, it's Bob down here at the hangar with my grandson. So Dave is putting Channing to work inspecting the engines before he starts them. So Channing's getting the once over on how this thing starts up. Well, it's his birthday today. He's 12, and I want to wish him a very happy birthday, and hopefully he's having a lot of fun today. So Channing, happy birthday. Love you, son.
Hi, Channing. This is Jan here. I understand it's your birthday today. Happy birthday, buddy. Hope you have a great one.
Happy birthday, Channing. 12 years old. You're on the way to being a fine young man. Come on down and go run that airplane again. That was a fun day. See you later. Happy birthday.